The Repair Shop viewers have celebrated the new star of the show, which celebrated a visit from King Charles. Fans of Jay Blades and the crew flocked to social media to voice their praise. Viewers were delighted to see the new addition to the famous BBC barn during the special royal episode on Wednesday. Steve Fletcher introduced his 21-year-old son Fred to the world of clockmaking, much to the joy of fans on social media. @MarkRisby tweeted, "Loving the blacksmith" on #TheRepairShop. And Steve's son. And Kirsten, of course. In fact, love every single last one of them. @Loggy01 added, "Steve's son is delightful. How lovely that he wants to start at the bottom and learn a trade." #TheRepairShop. @Lady Fernie wrote, "Aw, Steve's son also works with clocks." #TheRepairShop. @Cogs39 Bend, "Steve's son is training to be a clockmaker. That is so lovely. He is better learning on the job rather than out of a book. His job makes perfect sense, and how wonderful to be trained by your father." #TheRepairShop. @Sunnyside_Judy, "How special to see Steve handing on such passion and skills to his son. Glorious episode. We need this in schools to inspire kids rather than switching so many off. Fantastic skills, people and program." #TheRepairShop. @HoDaisyDog summarized, "I'm loving seeing Steve Fletcher's son helping on." #TheRepairShop. https://twitter.com/sunnyside_judy/status/15853578713513473. The new monarch starred on the popular Repair show as part of the BBC's 100th anniversary celebrations. His Royal Highness invited Jay and the Repair Shop team to the stunning royal estate of Dumfries House in Scotland. The King welcomed Fred and the other repair experts as part of the Prince's Foundation initiative to get youngsters learning more handy career options. Steve's son won the heart of the nation and was tasked with restoring an 18th-century clock from the royal estate. Discussing the incredible appearance from the royal visitor, Jay told Morning Live he was like an old mate on set. He explained to host Gethin Jones on Wednesday, "Everyone down at the Repair Shop has the same kind of ethos. We love heritage crafts and that's why we do what we do." Meeting him, me, someone from the council estate, and him, someone from the royal estate, to have the same interests is a joy. He continued, "We had a really great time, because we both have the same interests," he continued. "We want heritage craft to just flourish, so that's what we were chatting about, really." The King and popular TV personality Jay clearly got on, and the MBE shared, "I am a cheeky chappy, but I didn't show no disrespect to him, it was all banter. I viewed him as anyone else who walked into the barn. It's not an arrogance, I just feel like everyone is the same." The Repair Shop, Royal Visit is available to stream on BBC iPlayer.